Hey, what's up? This is Brendan and Aaron.
Morning.
Ronin Brothers Performance. And with us today, 2015 Final Edition Evo 10. Owner's name, first one?
Is William?
William. All right, so William brought us a car. Got a little bit of issues. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through to a pre-dyno, pre-tune inspection, make sure everything's popping the way it's supposed to. And then that guy right there, what do we call you? Magic Fingers?
Magic Man.
Magic Man. I like Magic Fingers. Dr. Evo is going to get his chance to get in there. Not only are we going to make this tune a little bit more proper, I say we, Aaron's going to make it all the way proper, but we're also going to be doing flex fuel, which is going to be pretty nice for him. Give him that capability of E85 to standard pump and anywhere in between. Aaron, thoughts on the car before we get started?
It seems like we have a pretty good base to start with. William doesn't know a whole lot about it. He bought it used, couldn't get a hold of the former owner. So we know some of the mods, but not all of them. We know it has a 2.2 stroker in it, not a big bore motor. It has ID 1300s, a 450 fuel pump. Now flex fuel, as you mentioned. Kind of not anything good or bad, but rare. It has an AEM intercooler on it, which I didn't even realize AEM made them, but this car has one.
And there you go. One of the original OG AEM intercoolers.
Yeah.
Rated all the way to 6,000 horsepower.
6,000.
Yeah.
It has a full turbo kit. It has a Gen 2 GTX 3076. So hopefully we make some power there. A lot of what I would consider to be normal suspects. We got a catch can because it's a built motor. We already pointed it out, but it does have the idle air delete mod, which is not a good mod, so we'll probably end up fixing that. Obviously the injectors and adapters, ETS piping, MA performance intake, turbo smart blow off valve, normal little things, MA exhaust manifold and or turbo kit. So hopefully we'll make some good power, primarily improve the drivability, because this does have, he was told stage 3, so I don't know if that means S3s or Kelfords or what, but it has some big cams in it. It is tuned 100% MAF. He already had problems blowing pipes off and not being able to drive, so we're going to do speed density, fix that. But by and large, I think we got a nice solid platform. He's gone through and fixed a lot of stuff that the last owner had done in his own particular fashion. So,
and I'm most excited about seeing what this turbo can actually do on this car, right? The Gen 2 Garrett turbos, a lot of hype with them. I know they've been out a while, but I really want to see on this platform, this motor, 2.2 liter, like where the boost comes on, the drivability of it, and just how many giggles we get. Like, I'm looking forward to that.
Yeah. We might run into a problem. It is a big inlet on the turbo because it's a real GT30. It's not the stealth housing like ATP had cast. It does only have a 3-inch inlet pipe, so that might choke us up on the top end, but we only have 1300cc injectors, so
we're limited anyway.
We're going to be limited to maybe 550 or so. We'll see what we get. It does have all the radium stuff. It has radium feed line and rail regulator, so yeah, good base to start with. And then he's not looking to set the world on fire, but he wants it safe, so that's what we're going to do.
All right. Well, stay tuned. We're going to finish this thing on up and let you know how it turned out. And as always, keep watching.
Yep.